Flying can be fun, exciting, and even relaxing if you know what you're doing. But let's be real. For most travelers, airports and airplanes are filled with stress, long lines, and unexpected surprises. But what if you could travel smarter? What if just a few small tips could make your next flight smoother, safer, and more comfortable? Today, we're breaking down 15 essential air travel hacks that every passenger, especially those flying in the US, should know. Whether you fly once a year or every month, these simple tricks can save you time, money, and even your sanity. Let's get started. 1. Window seat. Bring a jacket. Everyone loves the window seat. Great view, perfect for leaning your head. But here's what most people don't realize: the window seat is colder than the rest. Airplanes fly at high altitudes where outside temperatures can drop to minus 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That cold air transfers through the walls. If you're dressed light, especially in the summer, you'll feel that chill. Solution: pack a hoodie or a light jacket, even in warm weather. Or just ask the crew for a blanket. That one small change can keep you comfortable for hours. 2. Avoid the hot drinks. Thinking of ordering coffee or tea on board? You might want to skip it. The hot water used for drinks comes from onboard water tanks. And those tanks, they don't get cleaned as often as they should. In fact, several tests over the years have found bacteria like E. coli in them. It's enough to make even flight attendants avoid it. Stick to sealed bottled water, juice, or soda. It's safer. And when you're flying, safe is always better. 3. Tray tables are dirtier than you think. Most passengers think the dirtiest place on a plane is the bathroom. Not true. The tray table, that's where the real germs live. People eat off them. Some change baby diapers on them. And cleaning crews don't always have time to sanitize each tray between flights. So, what should you do? Carry disinfectant wipes. Wipe down your tray table, seat belt buckle, and armrest when you board. And never put food directly on the tray. A few seconds of cleaning goes a long way. 4. Fly early for a better experience. If your schedule allows, always book a morning flight. Why? Because flight delays tend to stack up during the day. The earlier you fly, the fewer delays from aircraft rotation, weather issues, or airport traffic. Bonus: morning flights usually experience less turbulence. Air is calmer early in the day, which makes for a smoother ride. 5. Want better service? Sit near the back. Most people try to sit near the front to get off the plane faster. It's easier for crew members to offer extra snacks or drinks without the whole cabin noticing. In the front, they have to be fair and visible to everyone. In the back, you might score that second snack or a pillow without asking twice. 6. Don't fully inflate your neck pillow. A travel pillow is great until it becomes uncomfortable. Cabin pressure changes during flight can affect your neck pillow. If you inflate it completely, it might become too firm or even pop. Instead, leave a little room for the air to expand. You'll get better support and avoid discomfort on long flights. 7. Order a special meal in advance. Most passengers don't know this, but you can request a special meal when you book your flight. Vegetarian, kosher, gluten-free, seafood, it's all available. Here's the best part. Special meals are usually served first. You don't need a dietary restriction to order one. Just select it when checking in online. Better food, earlier service, no strings attached. 8. Skip the shorts. Get it, shorts are comfy, but airplane seats aren't always clean. Hundreds of people use those seats every week. And let's be honest, airlines don't deep clean between every flight. So your skin is coming into contact with who knows what. Plus, cabins can get chilly mid-air. Jeans or joggers are a better bet. You'll stay cleaner, warmer, and more comfortable. 9. Always bring a pen. This one's simple but so easy to forget. If you're flying internationally, you'll need to fill out customs or immigration forms. And when the flight attendants hand them out, everyone starts asking around for a pen. Bring your own. Keep it in your carry-on. It saves time and avoids awkward moments. 10. Want less turbulence? Choose a seat over the wing. Here's a tip pilots swear by: sit over the wing if you want a smoother ride. You'll feel fewer bumps compared to the nose or the tail. So next time you book a seat, aim for rows near the wing. It makes a noticeable difference, especially for nervous flyers. 11. You'll get live updates on flight status, gate changes, boarding zones, and baggage info. Some apps even let you rebook if your flight is canceled or delayed. Having everything on your phone means fewer lines, less confusion, and more control. Wealth. Bring an empty reusable water bottle once you're through airport security. Finding affordable water is hard. And those little drink cups on the plane? Not enough. Here's the solution. Pack an empty water bottle in your carry-on. Most US airports now have water bottle refill stations near gates or restrooms. Win-win-win. 13. Pack a power bank. You'd be surprised how many airport outlets are broken or already taken. And if your phone dies before you board, that means no boarding pass, no directions, and no rideshare apps. A small, fully charged power bank can save you from that nightmare. Always bring one. 14. Search for flights in incognito mode. Looking for a good deal online? Use private browsing, also called incognito mode. Many airline websites and travel platforms track your searches. If they see you checking the same flight multiple times, they might raise the price. Searching in incognito helps you avoid this. Clear your cookies for extra protection. It's a simple trick, but it works. 15. Use a seat map before you choose. Not all plane seats are equal. Some don't recline. Some are right by the restroom. Some have limited legroom. Before you pick your seat, check a seat map tool like Seat Guru. It shows you the layout of your aircraft, including the best and worst spots. A 2-minute check could make a long flight way more comfortable. Final thoughts. Air travel doesn't have to be stressful. With just a little preparation and a few smart choices, you can turn a cramped, noisy flight into a smooth and enjoyable journey. These 15 tips are simple, practical, and proven to work no matter how often you fly. Which of these hacks do you already use? And which one will you try on your next trip? Drop your favorite travel tips in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more smart aviation content coming your way every week. Until then, safe travels and smooth skies.